Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use a free application, Dropbox. If you've got a premium version, you can save files up to Dropbox and then transfer them from one device or to somebody else and upload them onto another device. So this is great for team working. You can do all sorts, rename the file, you can delete files on there. With the free version, you've only got a minimum amount of space. So watch the video and I hope you like and enjoy it. Thanks, bye. So on my iPhone, I'm going into search for Dropbox, and then you go down the menu by clicking on the plus sign. You can go down the menu to upload photo, video or file. So now on my Samsung tablet, you can see Dropbox on the menu. So I've gone onto there. And you can see the two files that I've uploaded. So if you go into there, you can, if you click on the three little buttons, little dots by the side, you can bring up a further menu where you can do things like rename the file. So I'm going to rename them to something a bit more SEO friendly, search engine optimization friendly. And then once you've done that, you can rename them. You don't have to do this. Don't know if that still applies nowadays. Down there you can see all the different menu options. Then you can see me typing in the second different file name. As I rename the file, you can see that I've kept the file name extension. I'm just showing you this as examples. So you can see the plus sign on there. You can go in and view the file if you want. You can do things like save to device, and that's in the menu drop down option there as well. If you leave it open whilst it's doing its stuff, file to your photo library or video library. So there you can see the two files downloaded. If you like this video, please like and subscribe if you found it useful and value in it. Thank you. Bye.